This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. It has 4 cylinders, 2.0 liters. The Carfax report shows that it has a rebuilt title. You can view the Carfax report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. I'll zoom in so you can see the steel wheels and the tread on the tires. The interior is a gray fabric in good condition. Here's the back row. There are no caution or warning lights on, and the miles are only at 29,000. Your steering wheel controls, power locks, power windows. It's your stereo, climate control, and here you have USB auxiliary ports and your 12-volt. It has an auto manual transmission. If you're looking for a sedan that gets excellent gas mileage, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!